And we are back for week 11 for GoMining of the Miner Wars. We have gotten 0.015955107 Bitcoin, equal to $1,537.55. It's not bad at all. Definitely not bad at all, especially for the current exchange rate of just under $100,000. But this week, or should I say last week, was our best with $197.94. Sorry, 98 cents. The pool reward was about $260. Not sure why I got double charged here for my service and electricity fees. Could be because I switched from 2 different clans. So there is a chance that they double charge me for each clan, not 100%, but either way, 6.6 times higher than my regular payouts, as you can see here. 100% worth it. 100%, because I believe I'm at about a 40.5% ROI on my total investment right now. And as you can see, the blocks for last week, a single block here equaled to 0.0001, and last week a single block equal to 0.00000092, and that's all because of the amount of terahash percentage you get for the clan you're in. So if you have 1 terahash and that is a 100 terahash clan, you're only going to get 1% of the rewards. So last week, this tiny little block would only equal to 8.5 cents. This week, you know, one of our good blocks, I believe it was this one, equaled out to, you know, $13.50. But that's nothing to the times 4 block we got right here. That was a $49 block alone. That's my usual weekly payout, is under $49 or $50. So at the moment, we have the strategy unlocked. We're doing great. If you guys have not signed up with the referral code, or if you've yet just even looked into Bitcoin mining, you're almost just letting your money do nothing. Because I'm at about 10.5 months invested, and I'm at about 40.5% return. In the stock market, you'd maybe be at about 5% right now. I'm not exactly sure the full percentage, but average return in the stock market is about 11% annually. I'm at about, for the current rate, about 50% annually. Not too bad at all. Not too bad at all. So yeah, look up with GoMining, check the referral out in the description, and let me know how much money you want to invest into Bitcoin, and to see how much you could potentially get in the end. If it, you know, goes to 200,000, 300,000, $1 million a coin, it's plausible, and it is possible.